Look at what I saw. Flowers. Grass. A snake. A duck. With her ducklings. Hello everybody, welcome to English with Alina. To talk about past events, we often use simple past. The verb see in the past simple becomes saw in affirmative sentences. In questions, use did plus see in the simple past. For example, what did you see? I saw flowers. What did you see? I saw grass. What did you see? I saw a snake. What did you see? I saw a duck. I saw little ducklings. So far, so good. Now you try. That's all for now. For more practice, tell me about 5 things that you saw. See you next time!